Next up, Apple is apparently going to be a partner for the Super Bowl halftime show, introduced as new partner. They're really into the sports thing, the sports crossover.
Especially NFL.
Baseball, too. They have the Friday night baseball games.
Oh, okay.
Exclusive on Apple TV. And, but yeah, they love the NFL. National Football League today announced a new partnership with Apple Music. For the Super Bowl halftime show, the multi-year partnership will see Apple Music replacing Pepsi. Excuse me. That's iconic. Pepsi. Halftime show. Logos. Blue and red. Pop stars. Refreshing beverage when you pop the lid.
Janet Jackson.
Easy.
Yeah.
Janet Jackson.
Yeah.
Justin Timberlake. Wow. Well, Apple's got the money. They got the money, that's for sure. Replace Pepsi as the primary sponsor for the show, with Apple Music offering exclusive details and sneak peeks leading up to the show. Wow. The end of an era. You can't have the beverage doing it anymore. People, they're not consuming the rate they were consuming these type of beverages. The Pepsi challenge. I remember that one with The Weeknd.
Yeah.
Is that the most recent? No, they had the last one. They had the Dr. Dre going, the California thing was going on. The throwback, everybody loved it.
Yeah,
that's like every old person like us.
Yeah, I was cheering.
Yeah, and then they had the J-Lo, the Shakira was involved, and. Anyway, end of an era. I don't know. Does Pepsi come back at some point? They've been doing it for a while, Will.
Yeah.
So, end of an era, maybe. Now it's Apple, and they get to try to convince you to sign up for Apple Music. The NFL notes that over 120 million viewers watched the Super Bowl halftime show in February with Dre, Snoop, Eminem, Mary J. Blige, and Kendrick Lamar. So, NFL's saying, hey, we had 120 million views. Apple, give us a couple of million. We'll take a couple of your millions. And what'd they do? They put out a little promo there?
Yeah.
See you in February. Halftime. I don't know, Will. What do you think here? They going to get a bunch of new subscribers for Apple Music? Is that what's going to happen? Maybe.
Most likely.
Maybe,
I'm curious.
Maybe they put on a show like we've never seen before. They pay boatloads of money. Maybe it's not even just the NFL part of it, but then they have connections to the artists and exclusives, and they just start throwing money around as you would do if you were Apple. It's possible, isn't it, Will?
Yeah, I want to see what they're going to do with it. I'm curious.
Okay.